In this tutorial, we will take a look at the Gamma AR issue visualization and creation workflow. First of all, we select our model from the project list. Now, we are going to align the model with reality. First, we select the floor we are currently on. Then, we look for the room we are located in and select one of the wall supports or room geometries. In our case, we are selecting the room geometries. Gamma now suggests edges that we can use to align the model. To choose a different edge, we can simply click the Next or Last button until we have a suitable edge and confirm. Now, we move around slowly with the camera facing the floor until the floor is recognized and visualized by the app. Then, we place the red pin in the corner which is shown on the plan by touching anywhere on the screen. We place the second pin in the direction shown by the blue line. Note that the correct direction is enough. It is not necessary to place the pin in the exact corner. Next, let's take a look at the interface. At the top right corner, we see a menu with a few visualization options. The Show Categories button opens up the list of object categories, which we can show or hide. The Add Remove Stories button allows us to show or hide floors. The Append Model button allows us to combine several models from the same project. Now, let's look at the view options. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will find a few view options. The first button allows us to isolate objects. The second button, with the three rectangles, allows us to select multiple objects. The button with the eye icon allows us to display and hide objects. The fourth button resets the view to default. By clicking on the button with the three rectangles, we are going to select multiple objects. To select objects, touch and hold your finger on the object until it turns yellow. In this example, we are using the isolation feature, which is the first button in the tool panel on the right side. The isolation feature allows you to easily compare the selected 3D objects with reality. Now let's take a look at creating issues. First, we select an object as shown before by touching and holding our finger on the object until it turns yellow and the bottom panel pops up. At the top of the bottom panel, we see different issue creation buttons. Below that, the name of the object is displayed. At the very bottom, we find 4 tabs. The first tab shows different properties of the object. The other 3 tabs display different types of already created issues for the object. In this example, we are selecting a door. Isolating the object allows us to easily compare the model with reality. Here, we can see that the planned door differs from the installed door. We can now mark the door by clicking on the button with the hook on the bottom panel. We have now created our first issue. We can also create different types of issues, such as text, comments, photos, or voice messages, with the respective buttons in the bottom panel. Lastly, let's take a look at how to readjust the model with reality. For better visualization, we recommend using the isolation feature. Now, we click on that last button in the tool panel on the right side. We can simply adjust the X, Y, and Z coordinates of our model. Your Gamma AR team wishes you much success with Gamma AR.